I have to... It's not important. It's not important what I'm doing right now. The important thing is that we're about to play this song that is called My Monkey.
The appearances of it, we're also about to play Pingo.
Way to go with the 1983 reference.
This device is a dedicated touch Pingo player. That's right. Not really. Okay, I think we're ready to begin the song because this patter is not working for shit. Here we go. You ready? What? Yeah.
Sorry.
No, fine. We're gonna change the words so it's about Wil Wheaton. Okay. Wil Wheaton gets busy sometimes. Wil Wheaton's got a lot of stuff he's gotta think about. Wil Wheaton gets frazzled sometimes. Wil Wheaton wishes he was something you could live without. 'Cause every Wheaton needs a long time to eat bananas in the sunshine. It's feast or famine, it's a fine night. It doesn't mean Wil Wheaton doesn't love you. Wil Wheaton says he's sorry, he says Wil Wheaton sorry. Wil Wheaton gets frazzled sometimes. Wil Wheaton has an ulcer and a stressful time at work. Wil Wheaton gets bitter sometimes. Wil Wheaton's not the only one who's acting like a jerk. And while he doesn't like to name names, and he's not trying to assign blame, it's hard to focus on his own game. It doesn't mean Wil Wheaton doesn't love you. Wil Wheaton says he's sorry, Wil Wheaton says Wil Wheaton gets evil sometimes. Wil Wheaton says a lot of things it doesn't really mean. Wil Wheaton gets lucky sometimes. Wil Wheaton thinks that you're the bestest girl he's ever seen. He says he'll stay with you for always. It doesn't matter what the job is, 'cause everybody has a bad days. It doesn't mean my Wheaton doesn't love you.